Hi everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset keyboard settings on Samsung and other Android phones in a simple and easy way. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on General Management. Here, tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. On this screen, scroll down and select Reset to Default Settings. Now you'll see a few options. First, tap on Clear Cache, then confirm by tapping Clear. This will remove temporary files that may be causing issues. Next, tap on Reset Keyboard Settings and confirm if prompted. And that's it. Your Samsung keyboard has now been successfully reset and should work smoothly again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.